Hello, Year4. Welcome to session 1 of this week's author's work. It's called Amazing Aliens. Now remember, in this, a lot of the talking is done by the actual alien. But first of all, have a look at the text on this page and the next page. What type of text is this, and what are the clues? I hope that you've spotted the fact that it has headings, that it starts by asking you a question, which it then answers, so that's a rhetorical question, and the fact that on this page it has some fascinating facts have made you remember that this is an information text. So, let's read it. Welcome to my alien world. You'll find lots of fun things to work through that will help you with your writing skills and build on the work you do at school. For many years, humans all over the world have wondered whether we really exist. Well, I can tell you we do, and what's more, we have been getting up to all sorts of mischief on our visits to Earth. Now I'm hoping we can help you with your writing and inspire you to believe that aliens are amazing. First, here are some facts about our species. Amazing aliens. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to meet an alien? Read on and find out more about our fascinating species. What is an alien? An alien is a peculiar humanoid from outer space. Appearance. Most aliens are tall and can grow to over 10 meters in height. However, the pygmy alien is the tiniest of aliens and is the size of a household mouse. Additionally, aliens have tough green skin that is often wrinkled to help keep them warm. Amazingly, some aliens have shiny scales that are harder than diamonds. Habitat. Aliens are found across the solar system. The majority like to live well away from planets inhabited by human beings. Usually they live in pods or space shacks made of ice. Some aliens like to sleep in cocoons which are woven from a silk-like thread that space worms produce. What do they eat? Aliens are vegetarians, but also Kandarian, which means they have an extremely sweet tooth. They love chocolate, cakes and desserts. Furthermore, they are extremely fond of fizzy drinks. Their favourite food is ice cream. Interestingly, aliens can dislocate their jaws in the same way as a snake, so they can fill their mouth with huge portions of sweet treats. What do they do? Aliens are best known for exploring in spaceships. They usually land their spacecraft in remote areas and like to find out about the planets they are visiting. Interestingly, most aliens are extremely good mathematicians, and they love to calculate the answers to complicated maths problems in their heads. Fascinating facts. The fastest aliens can run up to 450 miles per hour. Aliens can live until they are 205. Aliens can make themselves invisible if they are threatened. Nightshade aliens are the only nocturnal alien. That means they come out at night. Are aliens on Earth? Watch out. The next time you see someone in your class guzzling extraordinary portions of sweets, getting top marks in their times tables tests and winning every race at sports day, just maybe you've got an alien invader of your own. Now, this text, like good books, has a glossary, or some definitions of some of the words that you may not be totally familiar with. In this case, they've chosen humanoid, cocoon, vegetarian, and dislocate. Have a look at this page and tick the picture that represents each word. Pause the recording while you do this. Now, once you've done that, here's the answers. Hopefully you got them all right. Have a look at this line from the text. All aliens are vegetarian. but also Kandarian, which means they have an extremely sweet tooth. Now, vegetarian is a real word, but Kandarian is an alien word and only exists in the alien language. So now, let's play the alien word game by making compound words. Compound words are made when two words are joined to form a new word. For example, blackboard. So, there's lots of words in column 1 and words in column 2. Take one word from each column, combine them, and then invent a definition for your alien word. The example you're given is a snow melon. And a snow melon is a fruit that grows on frozen space trees in a solar winter. Try and fill the box with some really good choices. Remember, you can post them and your definitions on our class Padlet, and then other children in the class can have a look at your words and you can look at theirs. Read the information on the aliens again. Underline any words you don't know the meaning of, like we do in school when we read a text. Can you find the definition? You can use a dictionary if you have one around. You can search the internet, but please be careful which sites you're using and ask yourself, is this a responsible site? And finally, you can ask someone else in your house. Once you've found out what those words mean, can you write them in a sentence of your own? Then have a go at this comprehension. There are 9 questions based on the text. Pause the video at this point, and when you're ready and you've written your answers, remembering to do them in complete sentences, have a look at my answers on the next page. Now remember, these are my answers. Your answers may not have exactly the same words, but you should have the same sort of idea in your answer. Now let's look at describing aliens to a friend. As we know, adjectives are used to describe things, usually nouns. So that, for example, the fluffy grey cat slept on the comfortable sofa. Fluffy and grey are describing the cat, and comfortable is describing the sofa. Your challenge is to describe that alien using 2 adjectives. Remember, when you use 2 adjectives together, that you need to separate them with a comma. The alien I saw had fiery oval eyes. Now see if you can do the same for horns, teeth, claws, skin and head. Remember to look at the writing tip and ask yourself, has every word I've used earned its place? So, as in their example, if you say it has large, big teeth, that doesn't really work, because large and big are saying the same thing. It could have large, yellow teeth, or large, pointing teeth. Have a go, see how you get on. And that's it for session 1. I hope you've enjoyed doing it, and there'll be a new video tomorrow for session 2. I'll see you then. Bye.